Ow! What are you doing? More ketchup, please.
I'm Luca.
How old are you?
5.
And who are you?
Lennon.
How old are you?
3.
And what are we going to make today?
My dad's Challah.
Who is your dad?
Lior.
What does he do?
He makes spices. Daddy's a chef.
Avo chef, I'm the chef. Yeah? We're gonna make challah.
Spice Challah.
Spice challah.
Spice Challah.
Why are you wearing those headphones?
Since I'm a fan of DJ.
Okay.
Oh, I'm making the DJ sound.
What do?
Cook.
I cook, yeah, I
Make
cook.
challah.
I make challah, I make spice blends, and I make cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And chocolate chip pancakes.
And chocolate chip pancakes, yeah, I do that too. Today, we're making a turmeric and nigella challah with labneh in it and olive oil. It's something that we make at home every week so that they can eat it as is, or for sandwiches for school, or for French toast, or to make just toast for the yellow, mellow, marshmallow eggy. And we make it all together, and then we can keep it for the whole week. What do we need to make challah? What is this?
Flour.
No, that's right. Is it flour?
Can
You want to touch it?
salt over there.
That's salt. What's this? Uh-oh.
Water.
Yeah, and these are,
Eggs.
yeah. And this?
Spices.
What do we buy in the supermarket to make it rise?
Baking powder.
Similar, yeast. It's yeast. Yeah, we're gonna need some yeast. And then we need, what is this?
Sesame.
Shemen, yeah, but in English it's called oil. Olive oil, yeah?
I was about to say almond milk.
No, we don't need almond milk. And then we need spices. What color is this spice?
Brown.
Brown?
Orange.
It's kind of an orange yellow. Do you want to smell it? And
Wow.
these are nigella seeds.
Black.
It's like black sesame. You want to smell? Oh, and then we have a special spice. It's called ninja spice. Oh wait, maybe it's not ninja spice. There's a ninja here. Uh-oh. These are sesame. Yummy sesame. Okay.
Put back the what about poppy seeds?
Poppy seeds? Oh, we don't have poppy
Ninja.
seeds today, but you can put poppy seeds. I'll put back the ninja. And this will use also, what is this? Look at.
Yogurt.
Similar. What do you eat at home a lot with your pretzels?
Labneh.
Labneh. That's what it is. What is the thing that I make the most of at home? Except for challah, because I make challah all the time. Cookies? No. Pancakes? Yeah, or maybe malawach.
Oh yeah.
Malawach. We like malawach. What is malawach?
It's Israeli bread, really crunchy,
a
and
good-
you can eat it with salmon and labneh.
That's the gourmet version of malawach, is with
Oh,
smoked
that's
salmon and labneh.
crunchy.
Go, 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 everything. Go, 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 go.
And
Yay.
the iPad.
Lennon, do you want to put the yeast?
No.
Or Luca?
Luca.
Luca will be the yeast helper.
No, fair. I don't
Yay.
have to mix.
Here, mix, mix, mix.
Ah.
Okay, now what else do we need?
My mixer.
Who wants to put the flour? Oh, shall we give half and half? You do half, Lennon will do half.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Go, I'm gonna hold the lid. And that, oh, okay, never mind. Lennon, you.
It's raining. It's snowing.
It's raining. Is there any more?
No.
Okay, there's no more. Okay, Lennon, can you put the sugar?
Oh,
Do you want to taste it? To make sure it's sugar?
Yeah, me taste sugar.
Is it salty? Nah! How can it be salty if it's sugar? Okay, can you put it in?
Yeah.
Hiya! Ninja sugar. Who wants to put salt? Okay, can you put 1 teaspoon full of salt? Yeah, one of those inside. Thank you. Do you want to put oil? gonna fill it. Don't make a mess.
Booyah.
Don't make a mess. Uh-oh, where's the oil? Here it comes.
No!
Uh-oh. How do you drive this device? We need labneh.
Oh, my favorite.
You want to taste it?
No,
No?
no thanks.
Should I put it in?
No, me put it in.
Okay, you put it in.
Bung.
Thank you, Luca.
Bung.
And now we need spices.
Me spices. One is gonna do one spice. I'm gonna do
Okay,
the other.
that's a great idea. Okay, Luca, you're gonna put the turmeric. Which one is the turmeric? This one. Can you fill one of these?
One very one scoop.
One scoop, yeah. Woo! Yeah, thank you. And then Lennon, you're gonna put some nigellas.
Hey, poppy seed.
The nigella seeds. Yay, thank you. And now, do you want to add the water?
You mean you mean the ninja spice?
No, the ninja spice is to put on top when it's ready,
Oh.
before we bake it. Do you want to pour all the water? There you go. Scoop, scoop, scoop. All the yeast. I know what we forgot.
The secret ingredient. Eggs.
That's right. You have an egg?
No! I'm gonna read my Invisible Captain Underpants chapter book.
Now we need Mr. Mixer. You want to turn it on?
Yeah. Cool.
Slowly, to 1.
Ouch.
Is it turning?
Yeah.
And let's wait for the dough to happen. So the way I started introducing spices at home for the kids was, well, first I didn't even ask them because it was part of their purees and smoothies and juices. I just used them the way I would use them in food that I want to eat. So I really don't make anything different. Obviously, I stay away from hot elements.
My favorite spice is candy cinnamon.
What about you, Lennon?
Cinnamon.
Yeah, they are both like very much Vietnamese cinnamon.
Apples with cinnamon.
That's a snack that we do at home. We cut apples and we put cinnamon on them, and it's delicious. Here, we're gonna take the dough out. Look, we're gonna put it here.
Yellow dough.
Yellow
And
dough.
I see green spots.
It's the nigella. You wanna touch it? Poke, 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 poke.
What was this?
Okay, go. Ow, ow. What are you doing? Here, we're gonna make it into a bowl. And now we're gonna take a bowl. Who wants to put oil in the bowl? Okay, bye-bye. Marble.
I know where it is.
Lennon in a rub. Okay, put some.
I know where it is.
Okay, that's good. Up, stop. Okay, now we're gonna put our dough.
Lemon salt.
Shem Zait, yeah, olive oil. Put it in. Thank you. Now we're gonna turn it around, coat it, and then we're gonna say goodnight to the dough.
Good night.
Good night, dough. Can you say good night?
Good night.
Thank you. We're gonna put it to rest. Take 5. Do you like to wash dishes? No. Do you like to put groceries in their place? Yeah, that's good.
I like to cut a knife.
Uh-oh, you're not allowed to cut with a grown-up knife.
Oh.
Okay. And we also like to go shopping together. You pick things and you put them in the shopping cart. And now that we have a new app, so we can scan them. And what do we say when we scan the item?
Bingo!
Exactly. Who's ready to cut challah? Show me your cutters. Cutter roll. Ta-da! All right, let's take the dough out. Oh, wow. You ready?
Yes.
Should I do it?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, nice challah. 1 for Lennon, 1 for Luca.
We get
How many pieces do we need?
3.
Very good.
But we can cut 3 pieces out of the big.
What's your favorite thing to cook with your dad?
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Yep. What's your favorite kind of egg?
Yellow.
You can tell. Is it yellow eggy?
It's
Is
yellow.
it sunny
large-
side up or over easy?
Sunside marshmallow.
Sunny side marshmallow, yellow, eggy.
Marshmallow, sunside.
With what do we eat it with?
marshmallow,
That's very important. What do we eat it with?
Fork and a knife.
Yeah, but what do we put the egg on?
A stove.
No, what do we eat it with?
A
A
knife.
kind of bread. What kind of bread?
A
A toast. Ready?
I can do that.
Great. Now this one to here.
Okay. You're making a bigger one.
Now this one to the middle here. And here.
Mine is the biggest of all.
You ready? This one in the middle. Like this. And here. And here. You want yours straight or round?
Round.
Round. So look what we do. You ready? Ta-da!
Mine is the little fabric.
We're gonna connect them. And then look what we're gonna do. You ready? We're gonna flip it. Ooh, look at that. And then can I do mine? Okay. Are you ready to say goodnight, Hala?
Good night, Hala.
Goodnight, Hala.
If you could eat something for dinner every night, what would it be?
My dinosaur chicken nuggets from Fairway.
Yeah.
Now, what about you, Lennon?
French fries.
French fries?
French fries.
I'll probably have bread if I had to pick one. Or ice cream. But that's not really dinner. That's
Same
kind of
as
dessert.
I like bread, so same as me. I would choose bread.
What kind of ice cream?
Vanilla. Oh, pistachio is my favorite.
Oh yeah, you love pistachio.
Yeah.
I never want to taste it since I'm afraid it will give me a mustache.
A mustache. We have our tray with a challah that came from its nap. Are you ready?
Morning,
Can we have a drum roll? Drum roll. Ta-da-dum, ta-da-dum.
Mine is the ginormous.
Ginormous. Who goes first?
Me.
Well, there's only one first. So, Luca, you're gonna start brush your challah very gently with the egg wash.
Egg wash.
All over your beautiful challah.
Mine is a big one. I can do.
Yeah, like a hurricane. Lennon, now it's your turn. Can you brush your challah?
Mine is longer than anyone.
Nice. Don't smash it. You're smashing it. Gently, Lennon, gently. Let's do it together. Okay. Now let's decorate them. Luca, you can do a little bit of each. You want to start with the black, with the nigella? Okay, go. Okay, good.
Lennon's gonna use the nigella.
Okay, you don't want more nigella? Okay, you just want sesame? Lennon, that you don't need anymore. Very good.
Some nigella, please.
There you go.
I'm done.
You are done. Lennon, it's your turn.
Hey, funny. Nom, 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 nom.
Very good. You want more or no? Sesame. Thank you. Yay. Thank you, Lennon. Now can I decorate mine? Now what do we need to do? Should we bake it?
Yes,
Okay,
we're
I'm gonna put
say
it in the
goodnight
oven.
to it for the last time.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Say bye-bye, Hala.
Bye-bye, Hala.
See you later.
See you later.
So who made what? I made this
this.
and you made this?
Yes.
Are you sure? How did it become so big?
This is mine.
Really? Huh, and who made this?
Yeah.
I did. This looks yummy. Who wants to eat some challah? And do we cut the challah or do we rip the challah?
Rip.
Rip, that's the right answer. Who
This
wants?
is made out of paper. Rip.
It's not paper, it's porcelain. You rip your challah? Okay. Ooh, yummy. Lennon, you want to rip your challah?
I want to
The whole one? Okay. Good luck with that.
I'm saving my challah.
You're saving your challah.
Can't
Who
see.
wants to do a challah cheers? You want to cheers with your challah
No.
and the ninjas?
No.
Yum, 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 ninja challah. Cheers. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. You say bye.
Ninja Teddy.